welcome to my channel. So this is my first tutorial and today I will show you how I made these beautiful 3D charms. You can use any 3D or 4D gel you want. I'll go with this beige nude one right here. I ran out of white, so yeah. To start, you will need a silicone tool, clear sticky notes and a dapping dish with a little bit of alcohol. Just take a small amount and place it on the sticky note. I like to shape it into a ball so that I can spread it out evenly. I want the pieces to be really thin, so I'm creating a flat disc. There are several ways on how to create a very thin flat disc. This is the first one. Another option will be to place it between two clear sticky notes or fold it up just like that. You can then grab your silicone tool again and press it down slowly. Or you can use your silicone tool as a rolling pin and roll it out. This is the inspo right here. So I'm just figuring out how to mold it into that shape without losing too much product. Now I'm bringing the edges down a bit to keep it as even as possible. If I do this now, I won't have to do too much filing later. When the shape is done, we can go ahead and divide it into two pieces. And once I'm happy with the shape, it goes into the lamp for about 60 seconds. After curing, there is still a sticky layer on top, so I'll remove that before I start peeling it off very carefully. And just like that, you have two beautiful pieces. I got a new single nail stand from Etsy, so I'll be using this one. I will also use a sticky tab to fix it on a nail stand. Here I'm using a flame bit to remove all sharp edges. We'll also have to do a little filing on top. But we need to make sure we're not filing too much product, because if it gets too thin, it will likely break. And after removing all the dust, we will apply some top coat. So one half is going to be red and the other one is going to be yellow. And if you follow me on Instagram, you have already seen the part that is coming. The liner gels you will see me using are from Nails by Day Shop, All That and Oops I Did It Again. And the brushes are from Ball Pit Shop, Double Trouble and Beginner Betty. I'm adding 2 coats of red, just enough to cover it up. I'm using Emo Black from Ball Pit Shop and also Twice as Nice to create a black space within the red. I really like using Twice as Nice to fill in small areas, just like this one here. The black area was way too small, so I used Double Trouble to create this line right here. I just took a deep breath and hoped for the best. For the outline, I'll be using this chrome painting gel from Red Sea and Silver, and also Little Miss 9mm from Ball Pit Shop. Okay, so this is where it gets a little bit blurry. I was focusing on the inspo and not on my phone. And now to the eye, we'll be using Angel White, also from Ball Pit Shop. And that's it. For the other two pieces, I just did the same thing. So thank you for watching and see you in the next one.